Number 1.
1997 Dodge Dakota, price $5,600, with only 128,000 miles and a dependable automatic transmission. Finished in a striking red exterior with a clean gray interior, it presents very well both inside and out. Powered by the highly regarded V6 Magnum engine, it offers strong performance, reliability, and the durability that Dodge trucks are known for. The transmission shifts smoothly, providing a comfortable driving experience, while the clean interior and well-kept exterior reflect the care this vehicle has received over the years. This Dakota is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable and capable truck that is ready to be enjoyed for years to come.
Number 2.
1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, equipped with a 4x4 drivetrain and showing 143,000 miles, it has been carefully maintained and remains in excellent condition both inside and out. Recent maintenance includes a new alternator and starter, while the interstate battery is only a couple of years old. The truck rides on a set of tires with plenty of tread remaining, ensuring solid traction and confidence on the road or off the beaten path. Comfort features are fully functional, with the air conditioning blowing cold and the heater producing hot air as it should, making the truck comfortable to drive year-round. Whether used as a daily driver, a dependable work truck, or a capable weekend vehicle, the Chevrolet 1500 stands out as a well-cared.
Number 3.
1978 GMC Sierra, price $9,500, showing just 39,000 miles. Finished in its original white paint with a striking red interior, the truck has retained much of its factory character and appearance over the years. Under the hood is a reliable V8 350 engine equipped with a 4-barrel carburetor, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission that delivers an engaging driving experience. Additional features include power steering, front disc brakes, and air conditioning, making the truck both comfortable and enjoyable to drive while preserving its vintage appeal. This GMC Sierra has been well cared for and remains an honest, unmodified example of a classic American pickup.
The original paint further highlights the truck's authenticity, while its low mileage adds to its desirability. It runs and drives well, offering solid performance and dependable road manners. Number 4.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,900, with a clean title and only 101,000 original miles. Powered by a strong and reliable 5.7L V8 engine, it runs and drives perfectly with no known mechanical issues. The truck is equipped with a desirable 4x4 drivetrain, making it capable both on and off the road, while the spacious 8-foot bed provides excellent utility for work, hauling, or everyday use. In addition to its performance and practicality, this Chevrolet 1500 offers several features that enhance comfort and convenience. The air conditioning system works great and blows cold, the power windows operate properly, and the truck has recently been fitted with new tires. It has also passed smog inspection, giving buyers added confidence and making it ready for its next owner. With its low mileage, clean title, dependable V8 power, and excellent overall condition, this truck is a great opportunity for anyone looking for a reliable and increasingly hard-to-find classic Chevrolet pickup.
Number 5.
1999 Ford F-250, price $5,995, powered by a strong 6.8L V10 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in a clean white exterior with a gray interior, the truck has accumulated approximately 363,000 miles over its lifetime but continues to run and drive well. Despite the higher mileage, it remains a solid workhorse with dependable performance, making it a practical choice for anyone in need of a durable truck for towing, hauling, or everyday use. Its proven powertrain and rugged construction reflect the long-lasting reputation of Ford's heavy-duty truck lineup. The truck is well equipped with a variety of comfort and convenience features, including power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, a factory stereo with CD player, cold air conditioning, a tilt steering wheel, and cruise control. It also comes with factory alloy wheels, practically new tires, and a towing package, adding both value and functionality.
Number 6.
1999 Ford F-250, price $10,500, with only 123,000 miles. Powered by a strong 6.8L V10 gasoline engine and paired with an automatic transmission. The truck features a blue exterior and a gray interior. It is well equipped with fifth-wheel rails, front and rear ball mounts, a bed liner, and running boards, making it ready for towing, hauling, and everyday driving. The vehicle has been exceptionally well cared for, with tires and interior that are in near-new condition. It runs smoothly and has been regularly maintained, offering dependable performance for its next owner. Although there are a few minor dents consistent with normal use and age,
they do not affect the truck's functionality or overall appearance. A camper shell and fifth wheel hitch are also available, providing added versatility for those looking to use the truck for camping, travel, or heavy-duty towing needs. Number 7. 2000 Ford F-250, price $9,700. It has 180,000 miles and is powered by the highly regarded 6.8L V10 gasoline engine paired with a rare 5-speed manual transmission. Finished in gold and equipped with 4WD, the truck is in excellent mechanical condition, starts right up every time, and is ready to drive today. It drives exceptionally well, shifts smoothly through all gears, and the clutch feels strong and responsive. The combination of the V10 engine and manual transmission makes this truck a unique and desirable find. Mechanically, the truck is solid with no known leaks and no issues affecting its performance. The 4WD system operates as intended, making it capable both on and off the road. The body shows some scratches and dings, primarily on the bed, which are consistent with normal use for a truck of this age. Number 8. 1996 GMC 1500, price $6,800, with 150,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a strong and reliable 5.0L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, it delivers smooth performance and drives great both around town and on the highway. The truck features a clean white exterior that pairs nicely with its black interior, giving it a classic and timeless appearance. It comes with a clean title, current registration tags, and has recently passed smog inspection. The air conditioning and heater are both in good working condition, providing year-round comfort, while the good tires offer confidence and stability on the road. Overall, this GMC 1500 has been well cared for, runs strong, and is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable truck that is ready to drive and enjoy. Number 9. 1989 Ford F-250, price $7,000. The truck is a well-preserved classic diesel powered by the highly respected first-generation 7.3L diesel engine, known for its durability, simplicity, and minimal electronics. Finished in white with a red interior, it features a manual transmission conversion, a clean title, and fully functional air conditioning. The truck has been maintained with clean coolant, a recently replaced fuel filter, a solid frame, and an engine that runs smoothly and reliably. It also comes equipped with a bed liner and toolbox, making it a practical and capable truck for both work and everyday use. The truck does have some cosmetic imperfections consistent with its age, including dents, scratches, worn paint, holes in the carpet, and worn seats with tears. The temperature and battery gauges are currently not functioning, most likely due to faulty sensors, while the speedometer reads inaccurately below 20 miles per hour before operating normally. Number 10. 1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $2,800. It has approximately 150,000 miles on the odometer and an automatic transmission. Finished in green with a gray interior, it is powered by a dependable 5.7L Vortec gasoline engine. The truck has been regularly used for work and remains a reliable vehicle for daily driving, hauling, or job site tasks. It starts and runs smoothly, with no known fluid leaks, and all power windows are operating properly. The engine and transmission function as they should. While it is in good running condition overall, it does need a hydraulic steering pump replacement and would benefit from a general tune-up.